It is a overcast day today here in Georgia. Come in late last night to the Chattahoochee-Oconee National Forest land for a weekender trip. Normally when we come out here, we just do overnighters. This National Forest land is pretty close to the house, so it doesn't take us long to get out here. However, we got some new toys we wanted to try out. I got some friends coming up. I'm going to introduce you to a good friend of mine, Stanley. Got a sweet VW Touareg that he overlands with. We're currently staying in the Rush Creek area of this national forest. We're about to start some breakfast, and we'll get to it.
I thought she was going to flash the camera. Are you putting sweatpants over sweatpants?
Over leggings.
Oh.
So what are we crunching up right here?
It's the new eye drops. Once you put this in, you'll never have to want for liquid in your eye again because you'll be crying forever. These are two little, I don't know if they call them Scotch bonnet peppers, or I think the orange one might be a habanero. It's proper mountain goodness to use a moonshine lid for this.
Oh, that good reuse of repurposing. Yeah,
That's
good
what we're trying to help I'm environmentally conscious. Oh, you know what? We can get a bowl and scramble some eggs.
Okay, you need a bowl?
Yeah.
I got your bowl.
We're done?
Yeah. You can use this knife, just slice off one side, unless it's...
No salt and pepper in these eggs.
Yeah, I'd salt them.
So Stanley, what do you think about the Blackstone?
I think it's actually pretty damn good. I'm not a pro on these things, but this is very nice.
I'm not
I like
a pro
its little
either.
Grease exit there in the back, and you can detach it real quick and pour things back in if need be.
I was stuck on getting a scuttle and everything else, and then Amanda got this, and I tell you what, it's probably one of the best investments. Check my description, and there's a link in there that'll take you right to the one that I have here, if you're interested in getting one for yourself.
I didn't know, but I almost think he's a chef.
Yeah. Go in deep, go in moist.
What did he just say?
You're gonna go deep?
What?
She said, what did he just say?
Oh my god, it's so good. It's really good. Definitely have to
Are you gonna have them just
toast
like this?
the tortillas.
No peppers and stuff.
Yeah.
More, or the way he did it?
No, it's good.
It's good.
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? Well, Stanley, I know it's not somebody's birthday, but what have you put together here?
What we have here is a real Georgia, Texas, Philadelphia shooting gallery.
Well, do you happen to have a parlor gun?
Well, by golly, I happen to. We'd like to welcome you to the Georgia World Series of Gallery Gun Shooting. All right, reset the targets and we'll let Mr. Dale shoot.
Yep.
Good. Good shooting. Good shooting. So it looks like Robbie and Abby are here and Amanda is back, so they made it just in time for dinner.
He didn't tell me he was here.
Amanda came out with us the night before last, and she had to leave after breakfast this morning to go to a baby shower up in North Georgia, or northern Georgia. I call it Houston, but they pronounce it Houston. At any rate, she had to go up there, so we kind of hung out all day, put together our little shooting gallery, and entertained ourselves throughout the afternoon. And a surprise visit, Tanner showed up. I asked him if he wanted to come out. He said that he wasn't going to, but at the last moment, I heard a diesel coming up the trail, and sure enough, it was Tanner. And now it looks like we got the whole family here.
It's the paparazzi. Amanda Miller, how's it feel to be married to Daryl Miller?
It's a lot of work.
I'll tell you what, I'm glad I went closer to that mud hole. You'd have soaked me. You didn't slow down.
She brought cash.
She knows where she's going.
You want your old Smoky too?
I just did. I don't know what made me get it out, but I did.
I almost brought mine, but then I was worried it was not warm enough. So everybody's wearing Old Smoky except me.
I told you I was bringing a sweater.
I was gonna bring mine too. What's for dinner, y'all? Yeah?
Don't go near that. That's hot.
The what?
Steak and chicken, shish kebabs, and baked potatoes.
I don't get a shish kebab, do I?
Yeah.
You do?
I don't like shish kebabs.
How you know?
Well, you can just have meat.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's true.
I think
Thank you.
it's beer before liquor makes you sicker.
Beer before liquor, so you already started, so.
So Amanda's the reason she gets sick all the time.
No, I don't drink beer.
Well, you can drink liquor.
What liquor do we have?
So Stanley, you want to tell me what we're doing here on
These
our
are
fire?
potatoes that were grown in the imperial garden of the Grand Wizard of China.
That is awesome. So they're imported.
Yes. And rumor has it that if you can eat a whole potato, you're definitely good for well diving, which is where they used to find the silk that they made their silken armor out of when they conquered Mexico.
He's being a brat.
Cass, why are you being a brat? Because you're not a good camping dog. You're not a good Overland Expo dog, that's for sure. Oh look, you got a little SOS beacon.
I don't think this works.
It does. Yeah, you just turn it on and turn it on.
I can drink
Not
anything
good.
else, but not beer.
You don't like it? You don't? Come on, Robbie. You gotta
He's
get to the
not a
first
beer guy either.
But
Don't drink it if you don't like it.
No.
The problem is, I don't know
He
what
hasn't
it
opened a
is.
new one yet. He needs one.
Stanley,
No, I gave
Yeah.
Stanley.
what are you whipping us up tonight, sir?
We're having shish kebabs a la Midtown.
Hey, there's
What's this you have here, Robbie?
Peeps Pepsi.
Peeps Pepsi.
Yeah.
That sounds disgusting.
It's actually fairly good. Tastes like candy corn in a bottle.
And then
And I like candy corn.
Well, how do you think your stomach is going to feel after you drink that? Because I heard you're one that knows stomach
We
things.
shall see.
that's one thing my dad can do. All Cubans can do it. Oh, you did. And you want a little cheese in there?
Yep.
Man, that's triple cow.
Mm-hmm.
Any which one? They're all equal. You want two?
So Tracy, have you enjoyed your day?
I really have enjoyed my day.
You are a dead shot.
Where
Yep.
that tree is.
Trigger Tracy.
Trigger Tracy.
Peppermint bark. Definitely.
I think
no. Stanley brought it. It's good though.
Free access.
Is it?
It's like mint and chocolate.
that's definitely not
I'll
that.
go look at your stash.
Shit, she was talking about.
Oh, it's coming off. Oh, it's coming off. It's coming off. Oh gosh, it's coming off.
Show us.
I can't show.
Show us falling off. It's okay.
It's roasted peep.
Let it focus.
Okay, I'm gonna get out of here. That'd be terrible. We'd need burn cream.
Turn it.
The one thing we couldn't find.
I got my little.
Oh, it's going down.
Oh, peep is falling. Peep, 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 peep. Let's go give it to Bailey.
Here's your roasted peep.
Your roast peep.
It's hot. It's hot, hot.
Careful, give it a second.
Oh, it's sliding around.
Yeah. Here,
Oh,
bud.
it's like really falling
Robert.
off my stick.
Is it good? Mm-hmm. Roasted peeps. That's our new thing.
Put it right.
Yeah.
Put it right
so
in
we're
there.
easy bake ovening a peep, an Easter peep.
We have ways of making the peep talk.
Oh Lord.
Is it on fire?
No. It's
flame resistant.
Yep, it's flame resistant, isn't that right?
call it flame retardant.
Retardant.
Oh, it's heat.
Like, are we really eating something that can't
Hot.
catch on fire? Probably something that's bad for you.
Oh, a little shaky.
I can keep it from burning the absolute crap out of me. Rotisserie. Here's a rotisserie style chicken right here.
Yep.
Oh my god.
Rotisserie duck.
Duck.
You ever had rotisserie duck?
Well, we went duck hunting all right. Now we're cooking it.
So my favorite restaurant when I moved to China as a kid, when I must have been 19 years old or so, they had a lost leader. You know what a lost leader is? It's like if you go to a Staples and it's 5 cents for a notebook.
Oh yeah.
It's they're going to lose money on the notebook. They just want to get you in there because you'll buy enough stuff that they make other profit on.
What?
Yeah.
So there was a restaurant and it was $1. It was 8 renminbi, which is a little over $1 for a whole duck. And I would go in there, but I would just order the duck and eat it, and I'd eat a duck for dinner and then go home. But I didn't order any other dishes, so they lost money every night on me. And it was my favorite.
You gonna eat it?
Yeah.
Go for it. Go.
See if it's not hot.
Yeah, but they're good.
It used to be a Wendy's.
Is it hot? Oh, it's good. Oh, it's good. It's real good.
Crunchy outside,
That's the new thing
melted
now.
middle. It's so good.
Roast your peeps, y'all. Roast your peeps.
Unless you want to
Just not your friends, you know? Okay.
Cinnamon roll thing.
So right now we do have cinnamon rolls already making. Daddy, come show. This is our other cinnamon rolls.
got it.
Ooh. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap it up just like that. Wrap it up.
There's no more of those tall ones in there.
Hold the camera real quick then.
I got one.
So, there's our cinnamon roll. We got Robbie's on there already.
I'll put 2 in there, I think.
What we gonna do is
You got your other.
we're gonna put it on the stick like this, and then then we're gonna let it sit right there for about 10 minutes, and it's gonna be ready. Put some little icing on it. Yeah.
I don't know how long mine's been on there.
We'll find out when it's done.
They might have some interest in that.
What you eating?
Come on, Michael, they're trying to teach you how to light it.
Yeah, so when we were in California, across the street from our house, there was another row of homes, and behind it was this massive field. Huge.
That's funny. Just ran.
I don't know how much we lost.
And I was like, Babby, if you keep this with you every day, you'll always have $1.